In this time of moral and political crises, it is the responsibility of the youth of America to affirm certain eternal truths. We as young conservatives believe that foremost among the transcendent values is the individual's use of his or hers God-given free will, whence derives that right to be free from restrictions of arbitrary force. That liberty is indivisible, and that political freedom cannot long exist without economic freedom. That the purpose of government is to protect those freedoms through the preservation of internal order, the provision of national defense, and the administration of justice. That when government ventures beyond these rightful functions, it accumulates power, which tends to diminish order and liberty.